Pasta and potatoes. A dish that conquers. Let's prepare it together. Wash and chop the celery into small pieces. Wash, peel, and dice a carrot. Chop the onion into pieces as well. Lightly squeeze 2 peeled tomatoes and chop them with a knife. Wash, peel, and dice the potatoes too. In a pot, pour the extra virgin olive oil. Add the celery, onion, and carrot and saute for 5 minutes. Add the tomatoes. Add the potatoes to the pot. Season with salt. Cover the ingredients with hot water and cook for 15 minutes. Add the pasta and cook it halfway. Thinly slice the mild provolone and layer half of it on the bottom of earthenware casserole. Add the pasta to the casserole and top with the remaining provolone. Bake in a preheated static oven at 180C350F for 20 minutes. Enjoy your meal and keep cooking with Cookaround.